Create standout album covers in no time with FreePix AI tools. Describe the image you want to generate in the Image Generator tool. Pick a style. In this case, we'll use comic for a dynamic and bold look. Additionally, we'll apply the neon effect from the presets and set a 1:1 aspect ratio. Click Generate and let AI do its magic. In seconds, you'll have an illustration ready to refine. Use Retouch to refine details and give your image a professional touch. Now, enhance resolution and sharpen details with Upscale to make your image high quality. Time to finalize your design. Open Designer. Adjust your canvas size and import your image to fit your design perfectly. Now, add all the necessary elements to complete your composition. And just like that, you have a stunning cover ready to go.